Forest Creek Village has Oak Ridge's newest home sites and is neighboring the popular Oak Ridge Country Club. This is a great building lot in this new and upcoming development of homes $400,000 and up. This lot backs to a green space along East Fork Poplar Creek and all utilities will be at the lot line. Across the road is the North Boundary Greenway with 16 miles of trails for excellent hiking, cycling, running and nature wildlife walks. Easy access to Horizon Center, Heritage Center, ORNL, Y12, Doe and downtown Oak Ridge. All your shopping needs and medical facilities are 7 miles or less away. Award-winning Oak Ridge schools,